Alright, what's going on, guys? It is your boy, Brap Genius, and today I'm going to be doing a first impression of my 2003 Yamaha YZ250. Now, this bike I am using for the woods, so I am going to review it in comparison to how it does in the woods. Now, I know this is an MX bike, and it is not currently set up for the woods, so I will take that into account. Now, the first thing I can say is I am very surprised at how well this bike is doing in the woods. I'm going to be breaking this bike down and doing a completely new rebuild of it and set it up for the woods. But before I've even had a chance to do anything, you know, we got a beautiful day out here. I was going to do that over the winter, do the rebuild, and we just happened to get a beautiful day out here, so I decided I had to come out, ride the bike, do my first test ride of it, see what it's like before, you know, I change it into a woods bike. And so far, I am very impressed. The bike right now has a very worn rear tire. I think it's a 110. In the woods, when you use these kind of bikes, you want to be running a 120 because the amount of traction you get is so much better. So that's something that I will do. But even without it, I'm surprised. I'm surprised at the low end power that it does have stock. You know, the back end definitely isn't keeping the most traction in the world, but you know, it's doing pretty damn good for what it is. And in terms of the power, even the low end power, I'm surprised that it's got this much bottom end torque. You know, everybody says that these bikes are bad for the woods because you can't lug them up hills, and you know, you can't lug them up at 2 miles an hour, but it's doing a hell of a lot better than I thought it would be doing stock. The power on it is great. Like I said, I'm going to change the pipe. I'm going to put a gnarly pipe on it so it does have more bottom end. But once you get into the power band, which I haven't really been able to do in this tight stuff, here we go. Opened up a little bit. That back tire just spun. Yeah, just in terms of the power itself is really good for a stock bike. So like I said, guys, overall the first impression is pretty great. I have to power shift right now though because I snapped my clutch lever, so that's a fun ride. So we're pretty much just gonna get out of here. Alright, at least this is open. Alright. That's right, I forgot. My clutch is gone. Alright guys, so that video got cut a little bit short because I snapped my clutch lever in the woods, banged up against a tree, and it snapped. The first thing I will say, if you are riding these dirt bikes in the woods, you do need some ASV levers, flip levers, so that they don't snap. They'll fall according to how the bike falls. They'll adjust to it so they don't snap, or some bark busters as well. Either of those will work for you, so that's something I need to do. Like I said, that's obviously something I'm going to do for the bike over this winter build. But it was a beautiful day, so I figured, you know what, let me get out. I got a little bit of time. Let me make a video for you guys doing my first impressions of a YZ250. So thanks for watching. Overall, the bike was really good. I was surprised at how well it did for being a stock bike. I'm excited to see how well it does once it's actually transformed into the bike that I want to make it. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like it, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and as always, guys, have a great day. Peace.